So, sorry if you can hear that, like, humming, blowing sound. I have the air conditioner right next to me. Like, it's a floor model, so, yeah, it's on. I tried turning it off and tried filming, and it just gets way too hot in our room. Today it's 90 degrees, and the humidity is pretty high, so kind of makes it unbearable. Like, if you walk out of my room, like, it's instant heat, and it's not, like, it's not, like, there's no coolness at all. Another thing, we don't have this split dye anymore. I don't know, the blue, I loved how it looked at first, but it only lasted on me for, like, 2 washes, and then it just turned to this greenish yellowish color. And I'll insert a picture if I can. Let me start off by saying I completely love Arctic Fox, and I'm not gonna stop using it. I love that hair color because it gives me this gorgeous purple color that I am obsessed with. I decided to try something new for my birthday because I'm gonna be 32 on the 3rd, but it does not want to stick to my roots. If you can tell, it's like a yellowish greenish color. I actually dyed my left side blue twice, so I don't know. It looks pretty cool at the bottom, but like a galaxy, but it's just not sticking, and the purple is completely sticking. So I'm just gonna stick with purple. Purple Rain. Poseidon was the blue color. It was nice. It was a nice change for a little bit, but I think I'm just going to stick to what I know. And probably because I was consistently dyeing this purple since September of 2019, but you live and you learn. And it was just nasty. However, I just went over with the Purple Rain again, and it's just, you know, purple, and then goes into like a royal purple blue, which I'm not mad at it. It's whatever. I'll just continue to use the Purple Rain color. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you some of the things that I've bought over the past week. As you guys know, I mentioned it enough. My birthday was last Wednesday, so a week ago. So I got 2 items that arrived on Tuesday. Actually, I have a few more items ordered on Morphe probably like a week and a half ago. They were having a sale on their brushes, and I've never tried any of the Morphe brushes. These are all washed and ready to go. I just haven't had like the motivation to do my makeup. It's been getting hotter, and I know, but I will eventually. I actually still want to do some of the first impressions, so I'm just gonna have to get out of my slump. But anyways, I got the Morphe M573. It looks like that. And I believe this is like a crease brush. I mean, it is a crease brush, but I forget the technical name. I'll put it down below, or I'll link it. Not affiliated or anything. Like I said, I've never tried any of the Morphe brushes, and from what it feels like, it's really soft. And the only thing that sucks is it's a white bristle brush, so it's gonna get stained, but it's whatever. And I got 2 of each of these brushes, so in reality I got 6 brushes, but 2 of each of the brush. I'm weird like that. This one is the Morphe E23, and I think I've heard a lot about, I don't know. This is just like a fluffy crease brush. So, that. And this one actually has like a glossy tip, where the other 2 have like a matte handle. So that's pretty cool. So again, this is the E23. And then the last brush I got is the M433. And this one's a like, it's like a stubbier, fluffy crease brush. So as you can see, these are all crease brushes. I'm trying to find a dupe for the one brush from Coastal Scents that's my favorite, which is this one. And I know I could probably go on Coastal Scents and get it, but if I can find cheaper brushes, so these are kind of similar, so hopefully it works out the way I want it to. So then I made a Sephora order simply because I wanted to get my birthday gift, and the only reason why I made it online is because Sephora is still closed. I mean, we're officially in the yellow and things are starting to open up, but the makeup stores just aren't opening up right now. So the birthday gift this year was the Milk Makeup like little set thing, and it comes with the mini Kush mascara, the mini lip and cheek, and a Hydro Grip primer sample. This is a Hydro Grip primer sample, so that's what that looks like. And you'll see in a minute why I wasn't so upset about that. And then this is the lip and cheek stain in Work, and this is what it looks like. It's actually a pretty decent size for it, and it twists off, and then there's a plastic thing, and then that's the color. So it's kind of like that. That's actually a pretty color. I haven't swatched it because I've been waiting to do this video. It twists up. You have to get a pretty decent amount. I've Milk makeup before, so this is the first time. And you get 0.21 ounces. So again, Milk makeup, lip and cheek stain in Work, and it's spelled W-E-R-K. And then last but not least is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and I've heard a lot of good things about this. I will say I actually kind of like this because I actually kind of used this already, so I can't do a first impressions on this. I will say I've been noticing a lot with my mascaras that they are transferring, like, but down here, and it's probably because I have I have bags and stuff. If you can see, this eye is so much worse than the other one, but it's been transferring onto my face. So this is not waterproof. I'm gonna have to get some waterproof mascaras, but yeah, I actually really like this. I don't know if I'll actually get the full size just because I can find cheaper stuff, but here's the wand. I really like it, and it actually like lifted my lashes, and it was just a nice mascara. I really liked it. So there's that. My face is really red because I just got my birthday gift. I bought this, and I got the mini size of the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and it looks like this. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but it's whatever. It was $15, and because of this whole COVID thing, Sephora was doing free shipping, so I only had to pay $15.90 for my whole order. So I thought that was like not that bad. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's like half of the size of my hand. Like I said, I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but it's whatever. I haven't pumped it yet or anything, and I haven't tried it. I'm gonna do like a first impressions with it, so keep a lookout on that. But yeah, it's just the green liquid and all that, so I can't wait to try that. And I've had this for a week, yes I know, but like I said, I haven't had really any motivation to do makeup. So then I went to the dollar store, and the main reason I went to the dollar store was because I wanted to revamp my brush holders, and I ended up getting 4 of these. Now these are metal, and I found them where the gift boxes are. So these are probably like to make like little like gift buckets or whatever. They have like little flowers on them. And I was looking for vases, or like any glass, like glass anything, but none of them had a big enough opening for like the amount of brushes I want to put in them. So these worked out perfectly, and I just got like those glass gems from the craft aisle, and I put them in there for weight and also to help the brushes stick. So I have 3 eye brushes full of I have 3 buckets full with eye brushes and then 1 with face. And then I have like another thing full of face brushes. So that's what I got. Cheap, inexpensive, easy to do. And then of course while I was there I looked at the makeup. So I got 3 mascaras and a mascara primer from LA Colors, and it says they're new. So I've never seen these before, and this is the LA Colors priming mascara. It's the white base primer, and that's what that looks like. So yeah, it just looks like that. Hopefully it'll work. Maybe some more first impression videos. And then there's this one. This is the LA Colors Volumizing Mascara Lift and Volume. And what the brush looks like. I don't want to open it right now, but this is what the brush looks like. So, it looks like that. This is not waterproof. This one is the Volumizing Mascara Extreme Volume, and this is what the brush looks like. So it's kind of curved. And then this is the Volumizing Mascara, but this is the waterproof one. And this is what that one looks like. So hopefully these work for me. Yeah, so, and they all say new, so I guess they're new to Dollar Tree. If you've tried these, let me know. And these are actually full size. Usually with Dollar Tree you get like really tiny ones, but these are actually like a full size mascara. So yeah, there's that. And then I got 3 lip products, and I've been seeing these a lot, or I saw these like a few weeks ago and just never decided to get them, but they're from the brand Remy Rose, and this is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and they come like this. This is in the shade Kristen, and this is more of like a rosy mauve, no, rosy nude color. They smell like vanilla, like a vanilla cake. There's the swatch of that. This is in the shade Lucy, and this is more of like a pinky nude, or like a pinky rosy nude. Your everyday shade right there, just like that. And then of course I had to, like, you know, get a dark shade. So this one's called Jasmine, and it's a purple. It actually in real life goes pretty well with my hair color shade. So that's all I have for my little haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will definitely try and do some of those first impression videos or what have you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.